Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 ciao. Good morning, guys. So welcome back to the best of stuff. I look very tired. Look at my ojeras. Oh my god, I'm so tired. But today's video is going to be a very special video because I'm going to be having my makeup trial and my hair trial for my wedding. And I also am going to be taking my engagement photos, and I'm going to be meeting up with my cake decorator. So I'm going to take you guys today on the journey. And yeah, so now I have to wash my hair because I forgot to wash my hair yesterday, and I'm gonna blow dry it, and then I have to wear nothing. That way I could pretend that it's the day before my wedding, and then they're gonna do their magic. I have two hairstyles that I have in mind, but I don't know how I'm gonna do it. So that's why they're gonna do the makeup trial. I mean the hair trial, then the makeup trial. They're gonna do it, and I'm gonna put a child and then have my engagement photos. My engagement photos is at 5, and I'm gonna be going to the ACRE Orlando. I don't know how to say it, so I'd rather spell it. And they're very amazing, and it's a beautiful place. It gives me farmhouse vibes, and you guys know I love a farmhouse. And we're just gonna go with the day. So right now it's like 7:05. I've been up since 6:50 and I did not want to get out of bed. It was so comfortable, but this is out the bathroom. I love this right here. And we're just gonna go on with the video. No. Yeah. Esta sí tiene hambre. Esta tiene hambre.
For snacks later.
Oh, wow. He's blessed with the Duncan. Qué lindo.
Hombres, Dios no es como los 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 hombres. Si tú caes, el hombre te señala. Si tú caes, el hombre te condena. Si tú caes, el hombre no perdona, pero Dios no es como los hombres. Si tú caes, el hombre te señala. Si tú caes, el hombre no perdona. Si tú caes, el hombre te acosa, pero mi Dios no es como los hombres. Óyeme, si tú caes, el hombre te señala. Una generación cansada de recibir golpes del diablo, una generación de ministerio, de jóvenes cansadas de que el diablo esté haciendo lo que quiera, se levanta.
Perfect. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Guys, this is my hair and my makeup, and I look beautiful. Beautiful.
Guys, I'm here waiting for them, but I keep getting bitten by these mosquitoes. Oh, Jesus Christ. By these mosquitoes, and they are annoying me. The sacrifices I do for my sister, she better be grateful for this. because I am gonna go back to Massachusetts with a whole bunch of mosquito bites. I hope she appreciates this. Well, they look stunning here for their engagement photos, and I am very proud. Very proud. I've been stung by a wasp!
Have you been before this venue? Perfecto.
Oh, so fierce. So fierce. So beautiful. Oh my god.
Eso, mami, ya un poquito más, ya, mami, tú sabes.
Bella chowing. You ready? Bella ciao, ciao, bella ciao, 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 ciao. Okay, as future husband, this is my first spot, okay?
Really?
So you have to go here. If you don't go here, we don't want you.
Is this
But you have to go here first, then you have to go here.
Oh, this smells good,
Yeah,
right?
I have 3 of those, but for Christmas scents.
I might buy it. I'm not buying one.
Mira la hermana, linda.
I like it.
Brother.
We're gonna do little facial moments and take a look at this.
Let's go.
You're supposed to do it too. Oh, I remember when I used to do or something like that.
It's not so bad.
This baby section is very organized. I love this Target.
You do?
Yes, it's better than our Target. This section is organized. Look at this. And our section makes us look like poor people. Look at this.
They have a lot of stuff for the babies.
I know, they have a lot of stuff for the babies.
Nice.
Quédate con él para gas monty. Can you pay my bills? He just paid my telephone bills at a bottle bills.
So these are the little cupcakes. They look beautiful.
Look at the beautiful view.
Be able to make the
I mean, on your
videos.
free time, you could if you want to be like a part-time, if you don't want to do full-time.
Let's see.
Oh wow.
Oh. Let's grab our pizza.
Oh wow. Oh. Oh no, mine's falling. Oh no. I hope it don't fall. Oh. Your mom's gonna kill me. That burn.
I would love to do videos, create videos. So I'm thinking, although the cutoff more.
Like I'm watching this at this time. It's like 11 or 12. You can't sleep.